AI is no longer experimental. In 2025, 78% of organizations globally are using AI in some capacity. That means the transformation phase is over. We are now in the competitive phase. The question isn't, will AI change the world? It's, who benefits and who falls behind? When a technology crosses 75% enterprise adoption, it becomes infrastructure. AI now powers financial risk analysis, healthcare, diagnostics, supply chain automation, manufacturing optimization, government services. This isn't innovation theater, it's operational integration. At 78% adoption, AI becomes embedded in economic systems. The US attracts over 40% of global AI venture capital investment, according to OECD data. That funding fuels rapid enterprise deployment across healthcare, defense, fintech, and enterprise software. The American model prioritizes speed and market competition. Innovate first, adjust later. That approach creates dominance in emerging tech sectors. In the European Union, Rogli Uno in 5 enterprises actively use AI tools, with larger firms leading adoption. Europe emphasizes regulation under the AI Act framework. The upside: trust, governance, consumer protection. The downside: slower rollout compared to aggressive markets. Europe's strategic challenge is balancing control with competitiveness. Asia-Pacific leads in mass deployment. China integrates AI across manufacturing and digital ecosystems at enormous scale. India shows rapid enterprise and workforce-level adoption. The advantage here is scale plus central coordination. When AI integrates across large populations quickly, productivity gains multiply fast. Global labor projections indicate that up to 50% of workers will need reskilling by 2030 because of AI and automation. Routine roles decline. AI-augmented roles rise. Nations investing in digital education and technical skills pipelines will convert disruption into growth. Those that don't will face structural employment pressure. AI is delivering measurable value in healthcare, faster diagnostics and drug development, finance fraud detection and algorithmic risk modeling, logistics predictive routing and cost reduction, manufacturing, robotics plus real-time analytics. This is productivity expansion, not theory. 78% adoption means AI is no longer optional. It is now a competitive weapon. Countries, companies, and professionals that move strategically will compound advantage. Those who hesitate will watch the gap widen. AI isn't the future. It's the present economic battlefield.